Starting a Shopify store is exciting, but let's be real, it can also feel overwhelming. Right from the start, you're faced with a ton of decisions. Now imagine if instead of spending hours researching, comparing, and second-guessing every choice, you had an AI-powered business consultant that already knew what's best for you. That's exactly what this chatbot does. It's like having a personal Shopify expert, except it works instantly, 24/7, and doesn't cost a thing. With just a few clicks, it can generate the perfect store name in seconds, help you choose the right Shopify plan based on your budget, recommend a theme that fits your brand, and find the must-have apps. Without wasting money on the wrong ones, you can access it right now. Just click the link in the description and start building your store with the help of AI. This ChatGPT bot walks you through the setup in just 4 easy steps, giving you personalized recommendations so you can build a high-converting store without the stress. Here's how it works. Personalized Shopify plan selection. No more confusion. The AI suggests the best Shopify plan based on your business type and budget. App recommendations? Instead of guessing, get the must-have apps to boost sales and automate your store. Theme and design suggestions. The AI picks a professional, high-converting theme that fits your brand. Budget planning and cost estimation. See exactly how much your Shopify setup will cost before you commit. I'll walk you through a live demo so you can see just how easy it is to set up your store. First up, choosing a name. Let's say you're starting a sustainable F&B brand. You could type in something like My Morning Cup or check out the Shopify free business name generator and let the AI do the work. You can even ask the chatbot directly for name ideas. Next, let's figure out the right Shopify plan based on your budget. Instead of sifting through pricing pages, the AI simplifies the process with clear budget-based recommendations. You select a budget range, and the AI suggests the best plan for your needs. Starter, perfect for testing the waters with a low-cost setup. Growth, the ideal for stores ready to scale with more features. Scaling, designed for fast-growing businesses needing automation and integrations. Enterprise, for high-volume operations requiring custom solutions and dedicated support. Let's say we go with Starter. Now let's move on to your store's look and feel. Instead of scrolling through countless themes, the AI helps you choose a visual style that matches your brand. If we select minimal and clean, the AI recommends Shopify themes that are simple, modern, and elegant. Finally, we'll wrap up with app recommendations and a cost breakdown based on your budget and business type. The AI suggests essential apps to boost sales, automate tasks, and streamline operations, so you don't waste time or money on tools you don't need. It also provides a total estimated monthly cost, including your Shopify plan, theme, and apps, so you know exactly what to expect. Plus, it highlights free trials and money-saving options to help you start with minimal upfront costs. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to use AI to set up your Shopify store faster and smarter. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on Shopify, AI tools, and e-commerce growth. I'll be sharing even more ways to optimize your store and boost your sales. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.